Amber is looking to replace her aging Subaru with something that has all-wheel drive and enough room for her 90-pound dog. With a $35,000 budget, what car should she buy? Well, Amber, I'm gonna keep it simple with you. You're gonna stay in the Subaru ecosystem and just get a new Forester. With your budget, you can get a maxed out Subaru Forester Sport. That means 19-inch wheels, leather, a sunroof, power liftgate, and really cool bronze accenting all over. I've personally driven this car and it is wonderful off-road and has plenty of space for your massive horse dog. It can handle the off-road trails and it can go on-road without a problem. The 180 horsepower that you get out of the new Forester is gonna feel like a rocket ship. In terms of refinement and luxury, this car is leaps and bounds nicer than your O2 Forester. There's nearly a foot of vertical screens in the center of this car that's gonna handle everything that you could ever really need to do inside it. And if that's not your style, I don't have to tell you, every new car has a big screen in it. You'll be fine. So Amber, listen, I know you could try something else. You could try a Mazda, Toyota, blah, 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 blah. There are a billion compact crossovers to choose from. But you seem like a Subaru gal, and that's why you should stick with the Subaru Forester. Do you guys agree with my choice? Let me know down below. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com. Just buy it. I don't know. Just that's it.